In this video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly what you need to know about the brand new social media app that Meta has just launched, and it's called Threads. What do you think about the Threads logo, by the way? I really like it. I wonder if Mark Zuckerberg actually chose this logo. So what is Threads? Well, it's a text-based conversation app that's going to integrate into your Instagram account. This is huge. Before I share with you the 6 things that you must know about Threads, I just want to make sure that you're up to speed with how this actually all came about and why did Meta decide to launch a new social media app? Well, I'm sure you're aware of what's been happening with Twitter and with Elon Musk. They've annoyed a lot of the Twitter users. So in the background, while this has all been happening, Mark Zuckerberg and his team have been really busy with testing a different app, and now they've launched it, and it's called Threads. So Threads is designed to really take on Twitter, and it's really exciting what they've just launched. So this is what you need to know about Threads. So you can go to the App Store. So if you go to the App Store, I'll just do it on my phone as well, and search Threads, but also write an Instagram app, and that will pull it up straight away. There you can see the Instagram Threads app. You can click download, and if you scroll down a bit, you can actually read a quick description about this social media app. So I'm not going to read it all, but I'll just summarize what Meta has outlined, which is Threads is where communities come together to discuss everything from the topics you care about today to what will be trending tomorrow. Sounds very similar to Twitter, right? And here's the thing, when you actually have a look at what the screenshots look like of Threads, it looks really similar to the Twitter feed. So how it's going to work is that Threads is a text-based conversational app, as I mentioned. So you're going to be able to follow different trending topics. So say something's trending in the world, you can follow that topic and actually join in the conversation. You can also follow trending hashtags and also like and repost and comment as well. So very similar to Twitter. But a few other things that you need to know, and I just think that this is game changing. I think you're gonna love this as well. So when you actually sign into Threads and you create an account, you're actually using your Instagram account details. I know, right? That's just going to make it so much easier for Threads to actually get people to start using the app. And another thing that I really love about Threads is that when your followers from Instagram sign up to a Threads account, they're going to be prompted to follow you. That is amazing. That means that you're going to automatically get your followers from Instagram onto the Threads social media app, which means that you won't be starting from scratch with building a big audience. It's pretty amazing, right? Also, when you join, you're also going to be prompted to follow people as well. I think this is such a clever strategy because there's a lot of different apps that have tried to take on Twitter, but we know how big Meta is and how powerful Mark Zuckerberg is. And now the fact that they're leveraging Threads with Instagram and making it really easy, firstly, for you to sign up, and second of all, for your followers to not only follow you on Instagram, but also Threads, why wouldn't you sign up? Let me know in the comments. Are you going to be signing up to Threads? Are you going to download the app? Would love to hear your thoughts. Bye for now.